So guys, today I decided to restore my headlights from Mercedes S-Class 2006. Model will be W221. And first thing we would like to do, headlight wash. Then we're gonna sand it with 2000 sandpaper and then with 5000 sandpaper. And lastly, we will do the polishing of the light. So I'm gonna using any soapy water and SpongeBob. We want to clean all the residue which is on the light from the road. As you better clean, easier will be to sand. Then we're gonna wipe it out with the towel, make it dry. In general, my lights, they are not so bad, so I'm not worried too much sanding. If you want, you can sand with 1000, 2000, then 3000 and 5000 sandpaper. So first of all, we're gonna, as my lights are not that bad, we're gonna sand it with the 3000 grade and then 5000. You have to wet the light on the paper, sandpaper, and go all the light. Clean this again. The light is smooth, so now we will go with the bigger grade. It will be 5000. Wet the sandpaper as well. And do again circle moves on all the surface of the light. Again, dry the light. So even now the light will look more nice and surface is smooth. And the last thing, we're gonna use polisher, the flat sponge and the drill. Rub in polisher and do the surface partly. and finally clean the surface with the fiber cloth towel. So there you go, the light looks much better, much cleaner. Thanks guys for watching. But if you like this video, please press thumbs up and subscribe for my channel, and there will be more DIY videos where you can do on your own without the professionals. So please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye.